Most people think you need money to start a business, but that's not the real issue. What you really need is skill, consistency, and the courage to start small. Today, let's explore 10 businesses you can launch with zero money from anywhere in the world. First up, social media management. Many businesses want to be online but don't know how. You can manage their Instagram or Facebook, starting with local cafes or restaurants. Charge between $150 and $600 a month for your services. It's a great way to start. Next, digital marketing services. If you know how ads work, you're in demand. Learn about Meta ads or Google ads for free on YouTube and start running ads for small businesses. Even one client at $400 a month is a step forward. Skill is more important than money. How about print-on-demand clothing? You don't need to buy stock. Upload your designs and the product ships only when someone orders. It's that simple. Freelance writing is another option. If you can write clearly, you can earn. Write product descriptions or website text and charge $15 to $50 per piece. Personal branding services are in high demand. Help people look professional online. You can charge $80 to $500 depending on what you offer. Everyone wants to look good. YouTube faceless videos are a great way to earn without showing your face. Choose a topic, write a script, and use AI voice with stock footage. Consistency is key. Content repurposing is another hot service. Turn long videos into short TikToks or Reels. Charge $200 to $900 a month based on volume. Influencers need this. Create and sell digital guides on topics you know. No inventory needed. Sell guides for $7 to $25 and keep 1% profit. It's a win-win. Affiliate marketing is another option. Promote products and earn commissions without holding stock. Start with Amazon affiliates and focus on solutions, not random items. Lastly, service marketplace arbitrage. Find clients and hire someone cheaper to do the work. You keep the difference, and yes, it's a legit business strategy. Remember, the world rewards execution, not just dreams. Pick one of these ideas, start small, and don't stop until it works.